transforming your creative hobby projects, colorful models, or rapid desktop prototyping into seamless manufacturing realities without dealing with tedious manual leveling. Complex calibrations or excessive waste usually means transitioning to a smart, high-speed multicolor ecosystem. The Creality SPARKX i7 500mm per second high-speed smart AI multicolor 3D printer redefines desktop additive manufacturing by combining rapid-fire kinematics, intelligent AI monitoring, and optimized multi-filament handling into a near-instant setup package. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its advanced multicolor printing architecture, paired with smart waste reduction algorithms and high-speed motion control. Instead of struggling with traditional color swapping systems that generate excessive purge waste and painfully long print times, this system supports up to 4-color printing while cutting down material waste by up to 50% and achieving max speeds of up to 500mm per second without sacrificing layer fidelity. Performance and everyday versatility streamline detailed home decor, gaming accessories, and functional multi-part prints. Outfitted with a generous 10.24x 10 inch, approximate 260 by 260 by 255 millimeters build volume, the printer gives you ample room for larger creative items. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by 95% pre-assembly for a rapid 5-minute out-of-the-box setup, automatic target area bed leveling and self-calibrating Z-offset/input shaping, a built-in smart AI camera that watches for spaghetti and print failures, a customizable RGB status light bar, and quiet low-noise operation that fits effortlessly into home or studio environments. Things to consider before you buy multicolor hardware add-on. While the SPARKX i7 is fully equipped out of the box for high-speed single-color or smart printing, utilizing its full automated multicolor switching capabilities typically requires pairing it with the compatible multi-filament system, such as the Creality Filament System/CFS accessory. Open frame architecture, because it features an open frame design optimized for rapid PLA, PETG, and everyday creative filaments, printing high-temperature engineering polymers that require strict ambient thermal containment, like ABS or PC, will require careful environment placement. So who is this really for? This intelligent multicolor 3D printer is an absolute home run for hobbyists, creators, makers, and households looking for lightning-fast speeds, effortless setup, AI error detection, and multicolor capability without the steep learning curve of legacy machines. If you are an industrial engineer needing a fully enclosed, high-temp chamber to manufacture heavy-duty aerospace-grade carbon fiber parts, a dedicated industrial tier enclosed machine will better match your workflow. Is it worth the money? If you value a swift 5-minute pre-assembled start, 500mm per second high-speed printing, a spacious 10-inch square build envelope, smart AI failure monitoring, automated touch calibration, and efficient multicolor printing with reduced material waste, it is a premier, future-ready investment for your desktop workshop.